Upload today, we will play Honkai Star Rail. Update Part 4.
So? Did you hear it? First time I heard the voices of the Titans, I was just, to this day, I still don't know why the... Alright, that's enough of my story. If you still harbor doubt, the path ahead is bound to...
Thawing the ice in Lady Aglaya's heart, but I will do my best as well.
That's wonderful! I've always believed that the journey of the Christ, once we triumph in the battle...
Lord Finon.
My apology. Be sure to rest well in the bath chamber.
A few games of chess will while away the time.
Aggie, this campaign is going to turn out fine, right?
Do not harbor doubt, teacher. As the interpreter of the prophecy for the Chrysos heirs, any...
Alright. But by the way, Aggie, I was actually wondering, when you were in the vortex earlier with them, were you actually going to...
Certainly not.
Phew, that's good.
Why even bother to ask?
You sure don't miss a thing.
Initially, my plan was to... But I noticed a sense of unease, therefore. Simultaneously.
Do you have to go to such... That's going to make it a lot tougher.
That's not important. You and I will...
Yeah.
The prophecy of deliverance is right now. It is people's faith, hence, we...
Aggie, you keep saying you don't believe in humanity's ultra...
Perhaps it's because my humanity... Another never-ending dawn. The golden thread hangs unwinding in a bath sounds appealing.
Let's go, Aggie.
Hey, great to see. Maybe both.
Heroes, your attention. Trian has returned with news. For the first, the awaited moment. This is an arduous mission. Should you harbor any thoughts, this...
I, Finan, of Aedes Elysiae, wish to join the crusade against Nikedor. Furthermore, I recommend the 2 warriors from foreign lands. They have fought alongside me against Nikedor's double.
I, mighty from Castrum Kremnos, Nikedor has become corrupted over the years.
I'm willing to join as well, to help guide.
I concur with your opinion. Though his divinity has yet. I cannot as we speak, even with 2 demigods protecting the holy city. The risk is too Casterus, you must remain here. Your place is...
I understand.
As for the 2 foreign warriors, select one to accompany you, Finan.
He excels in wielding a range of weapons, and his flaming lance has quelled the enemy's advances multiple times. Mighty and I are both better at offense, so from a tactical standpoint... Would you be willing to fight alongside us? If you have no objections. Aglaya?
Mydemos, Castrum, do you swear, upon Kephales's...
When Nikedor succumbs to... I will use my... If that is the object...
How?
The party that will embark on... I, Aglaya from Akima, Chrysos heir, and the demigod who bears Nestia's divine authority, hereby bless your journey ahead. Trian will open the gate that will lead you to Castrum Kremnos.
Blow, wind, blow! Woohoo!
We don't have wings on our backs, Trian. Can you open a gate for us?
Oh, a gate!
It's true, Trian is very playful, but she's the best gatekeeper at Emphoria.
Instead of worrying about gates, why don't you take the...
That's not like you at all, Mighty. Don't tell me you're scared.
All right, Century Gate. Snowy, D, and newbie Little Gray. Are you? Slay. We, Treeby, Trian, and Trinan from Yanisopolis, may fate show you benevolent and throw open all gates that lead.
It's quieter.
It's corrupted. This is Castrum.
Times really have changed. Even Nikedor.
If even half of Castrum... This is the outer city corridor. It used to be heavily guarded by soldiers. Think whatever you want.
Yeah, Kremnos used to be the place. Kind of a shame you didn't live in that era full of...
Are you scared?
No, the fortress may be in ruin. Let's go. Well, those are the only 2 paths to glory. How does it feel to be home again after so long?
Not here. I lived in the inner city.
Oh, as befitting of the Crown Prince of Kremnos. Trienne, the road ahead is dangerous. We'll return once we...
Got it. Hi.
Trienne has sacrificed...
Stand in position.
Until everything burns to ashes! Fight my set to the sea, go play!
Show no mercy. The times are changed. Conflict is pitiless.
I will claim victory for my...
Such a storm.
Battles are chess games. No two are alike.
I'm with you.
There. Once we pass through that,
We'll finally see some
they're minions.
It seems enemies...
Sorry to disappoint. Doesn't matter. There's
Except now, it's stopping... Learning and mastering are two different concepts. Oh, Treeby taught... But since you volunteered... Amazing! You do have the touch! And it's broken again. I guess even a Titan's power isn't enough to stabilize this bridge.
just like the soul of a criminal.
A diamond?
Fragile.
You can't escape. Strain 4. Seek, and you will find. of old blades.
Look, the gate open.
Genius.
Let's go.
Stream forth. Lead.
Bygones are bygones.
I commend. Look! In the sky! That's...
The Blade of Fury. Even if the world lay shattered, it would still hang high above everyone's head. So...
it's...
You haven't seen it at its That's the giant sword Nikador used to destroy Aquala's heavenly kingdom long ago, followed by one city-state after another. It's not just a weapon. It's the faith of the Kremnoan people. Souls who died heroically on the battlefield, such as the Titan's conquest. Nikador.
I think you're exaggerating a little.
There's no shame in losing to the...
True. Better to die in battle than return even in glory. The Kremnoan people have always been straightforward. They spend their whole lives running to the battle. But that's all in the past. Guess what I'm thinking, Mighty?
Probably nothing good.
This isn't just an expedition. It's also about just you and me. Show me what the grandest fighting competition in Castrum Kremnos was like. Let's gild this expedition with another layer of glory and compete to see who can kill the...
What's the prize?
The privilege of delivering the final blow to Nikador.
Interesting.
I know, Mighty. He prefers to fight alone. There are two paths ahead. We won't compete on who's fastest, but on the number of trophies.
Doesn't matter to me. You don't know the lay of the land.
Thanks for watching. Please sub and like.